empty it. The uncapped honey frames are carefully placed inside a large stainless steel honey extractor designed for gentle,
We take pride in bringing the finest golden honey from the factory directly to your family's table.
The quality seems very high on this one.
I agree, it looks wonderful. Let's get it.
Who is ready for some delicious honey toast this morning?
Me, Mommy, it looks so good.
Ooh, look how shiny the honey is.
I can't wait to try it. Is it ready yet?
Almost, darling. Here you go. This honey is so good.
It's the best breakfast ever.
The perfect start to a beautiful day, filled with the sweetness of family.
Thank you, Mom. The honey bread was delicious.
I'm so glad you enjoyed it, my loves.